Hello friends, welcome to the Catches Audio. Today we are going to see the first chapter of the English book, that is the fun they had for the CBSE class 9th. Let's start the chapter quickly. In this chapter we are going to summarize all chapter in some few to 10 minutes. Let's start the video. The fun they had was written by the Isaac Asimov. The story is set in the future when book and schools are conducted digitally through virtual classes. These classes are taken by a mechanical teacher, that is robot, instead of human class teacher. The story will start with two children's name, that is Margie and Tommy. They live in a world where the computer dominate each and every sphere of life, and how they attend virtual classes. With the onset of the virtual schools, the concept of the book and the classroom has transformed considerable from the olden days. On 17th May 2157, Margie wrote in her diary about her Tommy found a real book. It was an old book that consists of the story. Margie's grandfather once told her that when he was a young boy, his grandfather informed him that all the stories used to be printed on the paper. In those days, both Margie and Tommy started turning the yellow and crumpled page of the book to discover more about those days. They found it hilarious to read the book as the words stood fixed in a place instead of moving the way they saw in a computer screen. It is clear that in the future there will be telebooks only, and no hard copies of the books would be available to read. Tommy exclaimed that it is an utter waste to read a book and throw it away once completed. He feels that their television screen has millions of books on it and could store plenty more without throwing it away. Soon they start reading up about a school during the ancient times when the teacher were human being rather than mechanical teacher. All through the Margie hated the concept of schools. She is surprised to know actual persons thought at school. This is because she has only seen robot teachers her at school. Moreover, she is not so fond of school that is next to her bedroom, as she goes not have any classmates, and the mechanical teacher always gives a lot of homework to do. Both Margie and Tommy study in a virtual classes that includes electronic gadgets, robot, etc. And their daily lesson appears on the computer screen with teachers them different subjects, math, science, etc. Once Margie's mother called the country inspector to fix the mechanical device on which Margie attends the virtual classes. The he put the big black screen together again, on which all the lessons are displayed and the questions are asked. However, the little girl was disappointed about the device getting fixed, so on. She knew she would again need to put homework and the test paper into it through a punch code. Further, both the children continue reading the books. Margie's mother called her to attend the class. While Margie attends her school, the mechanical teacher teaches about the fraction, but Margie's mind starts wondering about the fun her grandparents had while visiting a school in the olden days. Those which a school used to be a special building and all kind of the same age studies together. She imagines how the kids from different areas in the neighborhood would come together and attend school merrily. Through thus, Margie gets fascinated about the fun the children had centuries ago when they went to real school having a physical existence. The conclusion of this chapter, the fun they had, is in the chapter. The fun they had in illustrates how emerging technology is slow taking the precedence over various things around us. In the near future, it would not be disappointing to see if human teachers are replaced by the mechanical device or robots. Here, a modest attempt from our end to the help students understanding the chapter from the CBSE Class 9th English Beehive book. Prose summarizable chapter of the fun they had. At that point, the chapter is end. And thanks for watching and listening the audio.
No, 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 no.